jog. This time we're going to bring the shoulders forwards. We're going to bring in a bit more of a bigger circle. Okay, if you want to march and do this, that's fine. And backwards, okay? Again, if you want to do marching to do this, that's absolutely fine. Or jogging. Hold it there. Back into a march. Okay, we're going to bring it to the side, okay? Not too low. Switching sides. This time we're going to go a little bit deeper. Well done. Last one. Back into a gentle jog or a march. Okay, we're going to stretch those legs now. So we're going to bring them up. Okay, if you want to do it with a little bit of a jump, it's completely up to you. It's still going to be raising the heart rate, getting that blood pumping around the body. Well done. Okay, we're going to take it into hop step. Okay, this time we're staying up. Okay, not low at the moment. This time we're going to go a bit lower. Like so. Back a bit so I'm in short. And jogging. Pushing the arms up now. We're going to get ready to get into the session. Okay, bringing the arms behind. To the front. And hold it there, guys. Okay, so we're going to get the equipment that we need at the moment, which will be the kettlebell or your milk bottle, okay? I'm going to move these out to the side and come back to those after. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today with the circuit, I've got 7 different exercises, okay? With those 7 exercises, we're going to do 20 of each exercise together, okay? And we're going to do as many rounds of those 7 exercises in 20 minutes, okay? Then we're going to take a nice cool down and stretch, and then that's the session finished. Okay, so let's get started. Kettlebell swing, okay? So how we're going to do this, I'm going to show you how to do it correctly, okay? So we're going to start, feet slightly wider and shoulder width apart, always a slight bend in the knee. I'm going to do it from the side so you can see. So we're going to bring the kettlebell down through the legs, and all the way up, holding it up, and bringing it down, like so. Okay, so we're going to do 20 of those. Are you ready? Do you have your equipment ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, keep it going. Perfect. Okay, if it's not suitable for you to do it above your head, you can actually bring it just to the center. Okay, like so. If you want to bring it up, you can do so. I'm going to show you both. 15, I believe. 16, 17, 18, 19, last one, perfect. Okay, we're going to put that to the side for the moment. Okay, next one, either camel beans or whatever you've got, or dumbbells. Okay, with this, punching, okay, so like so, I'll show you from the side and from the front. 1, 2, option 1, okay, option 1. Option 2, you can bring the feet out. Option 3, jogging. Okay, so we're going to do 20, so it's going to be a 10 on each arm. We're going to count together. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, you can do them together. 1, 2. Okay. If you want to make it a little bit more difficult, you can do it with a jog. There we go. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to do it marching. Okay, and together at the same time. I will show you again single as well. Are we ready? Let's go. 1, 2. Nice and slow, no rush. 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. How's that feel? Feels easy to start with, doesn't it? But after about 5, you really start to feel it. Well done. 5 more to go. Last 2. Okay, we're done with the dumbbells for the moment. We'll put them to the side. And in fact, with this, you can have the option of 2. If you don't have one of these bands, you can use your camera or whatever if you don't have dumbbell as well. So a few different options. I will show you both. With this band, this is what we call tricep extensions. Okay, so we're holding it here at the back and we're pulling from the top. So it's going to be 20 on each arm. There's 1, 2, 3, like so, okay? With the dumbbell, you can either do it both hands together, like so, or with one arm. Okay, it's up to you. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to use the band and I'm going to be doing it single arms at a time. So we'll do 20 on each side. Are we ready? Okay, start with whichever arm you like. Let's go, okay? Stomach in, core nice and tight. Okay. Nice strong stance if you want to stand shoulder width apart. Nice strong together, whichever one's comfortable for you. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. In your own time, okay? There's no rush. Perfect. 10 to go. Come on, push it. Okay, if you can only do 10 on each arm, that's absolutely fine as well, okay? 20 is a lot. So if you just want to stay at 10, that's no problem. Okay, if it's starting to get a bit, you're feeling it too much, then make the band a bit longer, okay? So there's not so much resistance. It's up to you, you know how it feels. Last few. And we're changing sides, okay? 20 on the other arm. I'm going to do one with the dumbbell so that you can see as well. So if you don't have the elastic, then you can also use the cam or the dumbbell. Okay, again, core nice and tight. Nice strong stance. Bringing it down and up. Arms by the ear. 20 when you're ready. If you want to do it on the wall again, that's brilliant as well. You will really feel that as well. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Bring it all the way down. 4, 5. In your own time, okay? 7, 8. Okay, halfway there. Time to go. Again, if you find 20 is too much, okay, just do what you can. There's no problem at all with that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. And hold it there, okay? If you want to give yourself a quick stretch. Okay? Knees out, sitting into your bottom, forehead down to the ground. Okay, if you have chosen to do it on the ground, nice and gently to your feet, okay? Nice and slow. Okay, I'm going to leave the mat here. Next, we're going to go on to crunches. Also going to get the chair. Okay, another few options for you here, okay? On a nice sturdy chair, okay? Crunches. Single leg. Bring it out. Like so, okay? So you can do 10 on each side, okay? Or feet together. Like so. Okay, if you're feeling extremely Olympic today, bring it down onto the mat. Okay, both are just as effective. So with this, we're going to have a few options also. Feet planted on the floor. Make sure your back is flat against the mat. Okay? Hands up by the temples. Okay, I'm going to just bring it up. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you're feeling again even more Olympic than usual, you can actually bring your feet up as well, okay? Like so. 7, 8, 9. Okay, or you can bring your feet down. Bit of Bonnie Tyler to help us through. 14, another 6 to go, 15, 16, 17, fantastic, 18, 19, last one, and perfect, okay? Quick stretch if you're on the floor, well done. Okay, nice and slowly up to the sitting position, okay, and slowly to the standing position. And okay, so that completes the circuit, guys, okay? So, we're going to do another one of those because we've managed to do that in really good time. How's everyone feeling? Everyone good? If you need a quick glass of water now before we go on to the next round, then please do so, okay? Or if you need to have water at any time throughout, then do it. It's really important to drink water. Okay. So, what we're going to go back to now is our nice old kettlebell swing with the kettlebell or with the can of, or with the water, the milk bottle 9, 10. Well done. Fantastic. Okay, again, if you want to have a quick stretch with those arms. Okay, nice and slowly standing. Okay, so, oh, in fact I can leave that there because the next one is crunches. Okay, again, depending on how you're feeling today, we have the option of the chair again. Okay, we'll do half of them on the chair, or I'll show you an example on the chair and on the floor as well. Okay, so single leg. We'll do 10 on each side if you're doing single leg. Okay. You can do legs together, probably best to sit forward slightly. Bring it in and out. Okay, so it's 20 that way. Or it's okay for you to come down onto the mat. Then we can do it on the floor. Okay, so we're going to do another 5 on the mat. 1, 2, squeeze when you get to the top. 4, last one, and 5. And hold it there. Quick stretch, okay, if you're lying down on the mat like so. Okay, nice and slowly up to your feet, and I can show you a stretch for if you're standing up. No rush, okay? Okay, like so, if you were doing against the wall. Okay, so well done guys, that was absolutely brilliant. You've done fantastic. What we're going to do now is we're going to take it into a nice stretch. I'm going to move my equipment out of the way, okay? You need to make sure your equipment's in a safe position. You do not want to step over it. Okay, so if you place it onto your chair, out to the side, like so. Out of the way. And we're going to do some nice stretching now, okay guys? You've done absolutely brilliant. Okay, so nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Okay, let's do it together. And out. In. And out. Last one. And out. Fantastic. Okay, so we're going to stretch those legs off first, moving our way up to the body. Okay, so what we're going to do, step the leg forwards, whichever one you want to start with. Just make sure you change your leg for the next stretch. For the other side, should I say. Okay, pushing the bottom out, chest forwards, head up. Okay, if you want to increase the stretch, you can lift the toes. Okay, if you want to go even further than that, you can actually reach down to touch the toes, but you don't have to do that. It's up to you, the options there. Okay, that's standing. Next leg, bring it down. Okay, putting your hand on the knee that's bent, okay, not on the leg that we're stretching. Fantastic. Increasing the stretch by lifting the toes. Okay, and if you want to go a stage further, you can reach down as well. Brilliant. Okay, back to the centre. We're going to step the right leg behind, right or left leg, as long as you change the legs afterwards. Canting that heel into the floor. Oh, my music's run out. I would sing to you, but my voice isn't the best. Probably run away, and it's really important to do stretching, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, back to the centre, changing legs. Okay, at the same time, if you can, what we can do, bringing the arms forward, chin on the chest, looking at the ground. Okay, if that's too much, then we can do that afterwards. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, if you've still got your chair to hand, okay, what we're going to do, holding on, bringing the leg up, pushing the pelvis forwards, and holding there. Changing sides. I'll show you on the other side. Okay, but remember, knees together, like so, pelvis forwards, shoulders back, head up. And bring that down before I fall over. Okay, reaching the arms up. Done absolutely fantastic, guys. Well done. Time goes fast when you're having fun. Okay, and release. Shake touch the floor if you can. If not, just go as low as you can. If here's as low as you can go, and you can still feel the stretch, that's no problem. Okay, I'm going to come down. Bring it up nice and slowly, rolling through the spine. Okay, last bit now. Okay, we're going to do another deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. We're going to bring it round. And bring it round. Down again. Last one. And hold it there. Well done,